Hi and welcome back to Scholastic Literacy Pro. Today we will show you how to use the Settings function. From the navigation panel, click on the Settings tab. The Settings page allows teachers to set Scholastic Literacy Pro program settings for a class or student. Family Zone. This will allow parents to access the Family Zone from their child's account. Literacy Pro Test Settings, Lit Pro Test. The first set of program settings is for the Lit Pro test. Each Lit Pro test setting can be modified by using the checked box. Minimum number of days between completed tests. Set the minimum number of days between Lit Pro tests by entering the number in the text field. The default limit is 50 days. Limit test success to certain days and times. Ensures the Lit Pro test can only be taken by students at specific days and times. Require students to take practice test. Ensures that the students answer practice questions at the beginning of every Lit Pro test. Limit practice test to 1 per student. Limits students to 1 practice test. If this is checked, the student will take only 1 practice test before the first Lit Pro test. Show student Lexile measure after test completion. Allows students to view their Lexile measures after they complete the Lit Pro test. Allow students to use audio recordings for assigned ebooks. Allows the student to use audio recording after the book has been assigned. The default setting is checked. Allow read and think questions. Allows the read and think questions to pop up if the assigned book has read and think questions. The default setting is checked. Limit reading list titles to only those in the school library. Restricts the reading list for students to only those titles which are available in the school library. Allows students to print. Allows students to print their reading list, certificate, and book ratings and comments. The default setting is unchecked. Allows students to change their reading interest. Allows students to search the topics they are interested in reading. Allows students to search outside the educational level. Allows students to search outside their grade level. The quiz settings allow teachers and administrators to set parameters for students' book quizzes. Activate each quiz setting by checking the box next to the setting. Display incorrect answers. Allow students to see their incorrect answers when reviewing their quiz results. The default setting is checked. Quiz pass mark. Sets the passing mark for book quizzes. Use the arrows or type in the text field to set the mark. The default setting is 70%. Limit test to certain days and times. Ensures the Lit Pro test can only be taken by students at specific days and times. Restrict number of quiz attempts to. Sets the number of times students may attempt a particular book quiz. Enter the limit in the text field. Number of days between quiz attempts. Sets the number of days between students' attempts of a particular quiz. The default setting is checked and set at 7 days. Limit reading list to titles with book quizzes. Restrict students to only having titles on their reading list with book quizzes. Allows students to retake a book quiz they have passed. Allows students to retake a book quiz they have attempted previously and passed. To set the criteria for student award certificates. Use the pull-down menu to choose between points earned, the default setting, and quizzes passed. Click on the numbers to activate a text box under each award level. The value of each award level can be edited by typing in the text box. Click on Save to save the settings. The default settings for each choice are checked. Click on Save to save for all settings. Thank you for your time. If you need more help or guidance on Scholastic Literacy Pro, reach out to your account manager or Scholastic customer service and we'll assist you further. Have a good day.